what he's doing. He's trying to do something. Look at him. Look. Fluffy. Fluffy. Hey, Beli. Beli. Hey. Beli. Hey. Hey, good boy. He's a good boy. Beli. Huh? Toy? Yeah. Toy. Yeah. His little cage and toys. This is his teething. They gave us this at Petco to give him. So he's like trying to bite it. It's too big for him, but he loves it. It's for his teeth. Yeah. Yeah. Where's Oli? I'll meet him soon. That's my bro. We're gonna get along. And yep, I'm gonna lay down. I don't know what I'm doing. All I do is lay down, sleep for like half hour, wake up 5 minutes, go to sleep. Yep, I'll go back here again. Yep, I'm sleeping. I don't know where I am. Okay, I'm over here. No, Beli! No, not the wire. Kako to nađe, jebe mu sve familije. No, bad, Beli. Bad. Look how little I am. Look how little I am. My foot and him. Look. Yeah. Maya. Yeah. That's some cutie. I can't wait to meet my bro. Yep. Yeah.